So today you can see I have a box here. It's from PCBway. Yeah, so let's see what we have here. So it's a 6-year anniversary of PCBway, so I have a sticker and the things I ordered. So this is the expansion board, the prototype board. This is the new display PCB. This is some components from the gift shop. I guess it's very convenient to get all of them in one place. I think that's very nice from PCBway, their service. And this one is another expansion board. This one is, you can see, it's violet. This one is another one, it's a red one, but they are different expansion board. This is a yellow one. I guess I like the yellow one much better. This one is the side PCB, and this one is the main one, the main PCB. Yeah, all of them are 5 piece in one package. You can order 10 piece also, but it will cost same. My one, every PCB here $5 each. If you order 10 pieces of them, it's also $5, so you can go with more, but I don't need that much of PCB. I guess you can see here there's lots of them. Yeah, now I will show you the PCBs I ordered and the improvements the mutantC version 3 will have. So I will go through this one, the prototype PCB, later. First I will show the main PCB. It's the same here. So this one, this is not the final version. Final version have 2 more things, 2 or 3. So I will go through some features and the PCBs I ordered from the kindly sponsored by the PCBway. I'm really grateful to them to have to helping me in this project by supplying me these PCBs right here, and some goodies I showed you in the first section of the video. So this is the RTC, and this is the 2 switches for the 3V and 5V of the expansion PCB, and another switch for turning off the display, and this one is for the docking port. I will show you later. And this one is for side PCB. There is a thumbstick, and this is the I2C expander because there is not enough pin in the Pro Micro to have other features in the PCB, in the mutantC, sorry. And this is, as usual, the switch for turning on the main power supply, and we added the transistor to have one button to turn off the mutantC and on. Yeah, in version 2 it used to have 2 buttons, one for power on and one for power off. Now it will use only one button. And this one is for switch. It will turn on when it will turn on with the system, and the switch is for to measuring the battery voltage. Now in the version 3 you can see the battery voltage. So this is the main PCB. This one is the thumbstick PCB. Yeah, this goes like the opposite side, yeah, like this way, or usually the thumbstick will be here. So this is the thumbstick here, and two switches and one LED. It supports PWM, and the second LED is in the display PCB here. I'll show you later. And that one also supports PWM. And yeah, this is the side PCB, and this is the display PCB. Now it's more compact, and you can see like it goes here, and the thickness of the main display is much more thinner, so the we don't have to use like there is a separate compartment used to have in the display part. Now we don't need that. So this is the display PCB. Now it has two LEDs. One is used for Raspberry Pi, controlled by Raspberry Pi, and one other one is Pi Pro Micro. And the Raspberry Pi don't have any PWM. It's only a binary, turn on and turn off. And the another one is for the PWM and controlled by the Arduino. So this is the display PCB, and these four are the expansion PCBs. So expansion PCBs goes in top of these PCBs, not like soldering. There is a header, there is space about 10 millimeters there, so it goes up here. So this is the first time I have the expansion PCBs. Yeah, I am excited about it. From the three colors, I like this yellow one much better. I like the look of it. So I will briefly introduce 4 expansion. There is another one, I didn't print it out because that will be like too much expansion board. So this one is the prototype board. Yeah, it looks nice in white color. So as usual, the holes for same 2.5 millimeter, and all the pinouts are here, also labeled. I think you can see here. Yeah, so all the expansion port have one power LED, so it will, if you solder it up, then it will show the if the power is on in the expansion PCB. If you turn on the power in the main PCB, then it will get the power in the expansion PCB, then this light will show up. It's optional, so if you want to solder it, then it's your own choice. So this one have the GPS U-Blocks GPS module and ESP8266, and the barometer, the pressure, temperature and humidity sensor, and this one is HC12 sensor for I think it's a radio module. Yeah, this one is for gyro, and every module it have the switch for it. So if you want, you can turn off this module, individual module. There is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you can turn off 5 of them using the Raspberry Pi header. So the second module, it also have temperature, humidity, and pressure sensor, this module, and this one have LoRa. This one is gyro and ESP32 and U-Blocks. This one only U-Blocks, use the U-Blocks, the mini package, the original one, not with PCB. This one used with the PCB. If you don't want to remove the U-Blocks module from the PCB it comes with, then you can use this one, or desolder the U-Blocks module and solder it up here and use 2 or 3 components, then you will get the GPS in your mutantC. Also, the best thing is the LoRa, so you don't have to mess around. Like I saw many kinds of project using LoRa, then make a chatting devices. You don't all of these you can get it in the mutantC, just adding the expansion board whichever you want. So this one have the LoRa, so you can use the 433 hertz module, or like any other depending on your continent. So you can use the LoRa module and use 2 mutantC to communicate. And this is the final one, not the final one, the other one. So this one has ESP8266 and one Arduino Micro. It's 3.3 volt, and also it has the NRF module. You can either use the ESP32 or NRF, not both of them. So if you either wanted to use this one, use solder this NRF module or ESP8266. So the gyro and the LoRa, of course, and the pressure, humidity, and temperature sensor, and all of them you can turn off using the here you have to use the Arduino, because like maybe this one and this one are used to turn off using the Raspberry Pi, and this one is because we use the Pro Micro, because there is no SPI in the expansion port, because SPI is used by the display, the main display. So there is no SPI, so we have to use the I2C or the UART protocol to make this expansion board. Yeah, so these are the 4 expansion board. So I will briefly show you the how I won't turn it off, like the PCBs I'm trying out here, and all of them are working. The new PCB, the thumbstick module, like the thumbstick PCB, yeah, it feels great. And 2 button I didn't solder it up, but it's working. RTC working. The display turn off and turn on using the switch is also working, and battery voltage measurement is also working. So this is the, I will show you this one is the expansion port, yeah, sorry, the docking port, yeah, it will come through the same place as this place here. So it will be convenient to add all the ports in one side, then use a PCB to expand all the ports. So that's it. So thanks for watching. I will upload more videos for the version 3. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing for more.